Hello, I'm your host Jason, and in this video we'll be checking out how much does the YouTube channel Outdoor Boys make. To get some statistics on their channel, we'll be using Social Blade. Thus far, they have uploaded 252 videos, have amassed a subscriber count of 1.37 million, and their video views to date is 294,080,941, and their channel was created back in May 5th, 2015. As you can see, they have one of the highest ranking YouTube channels in America, as it's ranked 4,201. To get an idea of how much they're earning, we'll be using the YouTube money calculator, and we'll be estimating that their CPM is $4. And by the CPM, I mean cost per 1,000 views, and this is the amount of money a YouTuber gets paid for every 1,000 views a video gets. But the CPM tends to fluctuate, as it can go from anywhere from $1 to up to $10 or $20 or even more, as it all depends on the country that the video is being watched in, how long does the viewer end up watching the ad for, and if the viewer ends up clicking on the ad. For instance, if the video is being watched in America, Canada, or the United Kingdom or Australia, it will have a much higher CPM rate compared to being watched in the Caribbean, Pakistan, or India or Africa. Furthermore, if their videos are over 8 minutes long, as you can see, majority of their videos are over 8 minutes long, they'll be able to put more than one ad break per video, meaning even more revenue. But with at least one ad break per video and an estimated CPM of $4 and their daily view count being 662,000, they'll be earning $2,648 per day. But this is before YouTube takes their cut of 45%, which would leave them with $1,456, and for the month they'll be earning $43,692, and for the year $524,304.